Welcome, wassalamu alaikum to Best Car Fixes. Today we have 2011, 12, 13, 14 Chevy Equinox or any other car like GM or Chevrolet, small car. We have a misfire and we need to go inside to see if there is any load P0300. So we can get something near to it or what causing it. Maybe one coil or maybe just general. So this is the car as you see it here. I'm using my hotel. And I will go to VIN, auto detect. Auto detect, I'm gonna say okay. You called me just now, no? Just follow. Okay, 2010 Chevrolet Equinox, say yes. Now we have misfire. Let me see now. There is a misfire now. I feel it. Right? Okay. Seat heat. It will ask you a lot of questions. Is that this? Is that that? Car is running now. Memory seat. Okay. Seat memory. All this information is not like telematic. Diagnose. Control unit, engine control unit, trouble code, DTC display, okay, but you have a problem. One of the exhaust camshaft position system performance, maybe you have timing issue, fuel regulator performance. You have a lot of codes. Fuel pressure regulator, control performance, high. Take pictures of this. Anyhow, this video is going to be in my YouTube in 2 minutes. You can watch it. You see exhaust camshaft position sensor performance, fuel pressure performance, exhaust camshaft position sensor performance, NOx sensor, NOx sensor, NOx sensor, NOx sensor performance, engine misfire detect. I see the engine misfire right now. P0300, you see like car is misfiring. Fuel pressure. You have a lot of codes. Maybe timing in this car no good. But I gotta go back now before I do any problem. Go to live data. I wanna see where this misfire come from. Where this misfire come from. So engine, fuel trim, misfire. I just wanna get the misfire graphic to see what happened. I feel it now. Okay, you see number 2, misfire 3 count, 19 count. Number 2 cylinder misfire counter. Number 1, okay, here is the cylinders. So what I'm gonna go, engine RPM, that number 1, number 2, 3, 4. Okay, there's a history of misfire. You see number 1 is misfiring too much. Okay, so history number, you know, like it's misfire. Number current misfire, there is nothing, but number 2 have misfire a lot. This 4-cylinder, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so let me see. I'm gonna say show. Look here. I'm gonna show this one, okay? And I will go into this one. It will show me this one, this one, this one. You see now here? The misfire is where? Cylinder number 2 misfire too much. Cylinder number 1 have 1 count. So your misfire now is here in cylinder number 2.
So on cylinder number 2 are the problem.
Okay, let me clear it. Okay, you see I clear the data. As soon as I clear it, this one is built. Misfire is going up, is cylinder number 4, number 2.
Number 2 coil.
Yeah, you see now? Number 2 is misfire. See now 0 count now, right? There is nothing now.
But it's missing. You could feel it.
No, it's collecting data.
Okay.
25 count is too much. This is have 1 count only. When I delete it, it's 1 and goes 0. So they are okay, those. But number 2 have an issue.
Okay.
So you need to go to cylinder number 2, deal with it, and be sure that it's okay.
So change one of the coil. So buy the coil and put it in.
One coil and injector, and then take it from there. And when you get a chance, fix this one too. Please subscribe, share, and like. Thank you for watching, and see you in another video. This is Muhammad Harun Idris.